Okay, this next exercise is the Yin and Yang. This is for shoulder mobility and stability. It simply starts by putting one hand behind the neck and the other hand on top of the small of your lower back. From there, step one is to lift the elbows to the ceiling as far as you can go. Next, lift the hands towards the ceiling as well. There you go, so they're both off the lower back and they're off the neck. Now, you're gonna straighten out the elbows and reach the arms as far out as you can, and then you're gonna arc each arm back to the opposite position from whence it started. So the idea with this is to go slow. You want full range of motion. You want to lift those elbows and lift those hands as high as you can when you go through that arc. And the purpose of this is to create increased mobility of the shoulder, stretch the front of the chest, and then strengthen all the muscles between the shoulder blades. So you're going to repeat this back and forth motion about 5 times on each side. This next one, again, it's for the upper back and for the muscles between the shoulder blades. It's called the Superman row. You're gonna be on your stomach, on the floor, and you're gonna have a resistance band. Okay, so you take that resistance band, you're gonna pull it apart just past the shoulder width. From there, you're gonna keep your head facing down and you're gonna keep your toes on the ground. For better support, squeeze your glutes. Next, as you pull that resistance band apart, you're gonna raise it up as far as you can go and as high to the ceiling as you can go, keeping your head off the ground, and you're gonna pull it back right to your collarbone, right by your nose, nice and slow, and control your breathing. As you move out, you breathe out. As you bring it back in, you breathe in. It's also a breathing exercise. So again, this is gonna focus on the muscles between the shoulder blades, and it's also gonna increase that extension going backwards in your thoracic spine, right? This is great for neck stability, and it really helps to open up some of that chest tension that you may have, which is pulling the shoulders forward, causing that kind of antalgia and upper cross syndrome. Okay, so this is internal and external shoulder rotation against a resistance. So we're gonna use a broomstick. We're gonna take the arm up to 90 degrees, have the broomstick on the back side of the arm, hold it there, and then anchor it with your other hand. From here, what you're trying to do is create a pulling force this way, and holding it and anchoring it from this side so nothing moves. So it's gonna look like that, but it's actually not gonna move anywhere. So you're gonna contract that muscle, these shoulder muscles, to try and bring that arm in like you're doing an arm wrestle, and you're gonna hold it there. You're gonna hold it there for about 60 seconds, and you're not gonna do as strong as you can, just about a 40 to 50% of your maximal strength. And go for it. Good, so the important part of this is keeping that shoulder at 90 degrees, the elbow at 90 degrees, and after the first 60 seconds, you'll notice that your external shoulder rotation will increase. So round 2, or the second set, is going to be at that increased angle of external rotation. And then same thing, pull forwards like that and hold it right there. So again, repeat this for about 60 seconds and then increase that angle after 60 seconds and repeat and repeat and repeat until that pain in the shoulder starts to go away. Perfect.